Oh, this time going to snow.
Grandma, did you see me?
I always do.
You see me, Grandma?
Forward to, huh?
You see me?
Oh yeah.
Austin.
Oh yeah.
I gotta get a little bit
exercising.
skinnier. I gotta get a little
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all been exercising on y'all split.
Stop.
Warm up.
Ooh, boy.
Boy, you about to come take it out with grandma. Don't change clothes. Look like you've been having clothes on
That's
for
why
a
I
couple
probably
days.
have a game today.
Or change clothes. You ain't gotta take them out with grandma. Grandma just mess with you. Don't change clothes, take shoes off, get comfortable and stuff. Okay? Did you have clothes on yesterday?
Yes, Brooklyn, where the gorilla slide at?
What you going on for sure?
Because I'm actually headed.
I'm just kidding, y'all.
Yeah, I'ma just take my shoes off and
Go give me jail.
do it like this. Ooh. Ooh, shoot. Ooh. Why was you recording me?
Come on, stop like getting phone call.
Destiny. What's Troy
Oh,
I thought you was recording me.
What's Troy number?
Oh! Oh, shoot.
Corey, y'all, the pickles are cold.
My leg just bam, bam. Ah!
Draw pickles.
Twist my leg back in place.
Draw.
So if I back them up, they gonna say to you. If I would have done, they would. So why you taking so long?
Get out my face. Get that camera out my face. Get that camera out my face. Get that camera out my face.
You only backing up 3 snaps. Why it's taking so long?
Somebody
Even if
come
you don't
here.
background it, it's still safe.
Background.
Yeah, background.
Back it up.
Oh!
Back it up, beep, beep. Alright, it's safe.
Back it up. Back off. Back off. Back off. Bruh, back off. I said back off.
What are you doing on that phone over there? You better not been putting stuff on YouTube and stuff.
What you call the other ones that you called?
The sugar gram.
The sugargram.
I'm
The
not.
sugar gram shit.
It's Instagram.
Instagram.
She said she. Okay, one.
Why would it be
I
called?
don't know about all them gadgets and gadgets y'all be messing with.
Gadgets and gadgets and gadgets and gadgets and gadgets and gadgets.
Kick sometimes.
Twitter,
people use
Sky.
Twitter.
Oh,
Now what is with that what they call that other thing?
Did I say Instagram? Instagram. We say Instagram sometimes.
I call it Snapchat.
Grandma, say hi to my camera. Say hi.
Hey camera, what's up?
Hold on, they can't see you. Say hi.
Hey, what's up camera? Got OG grandma in the house. Turn it off, cause that's what you about to do, ain't you?
Mm-hmm.
Put it on YouTube.
You know she like YouTube.
I'm not finished recording my video. Y'all distract me every time I make a video.
What? How? You over there talking to
Don't worry about it.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay.
You
She
gonna
just
find
told
it
you to,
Grandma, you gonna give me $15?
hey.
Give me. I'm
Grandma,
gonna give you.
please.
shirts.
Please.
Shirt off.
Can you please give me $15?
You gotta shut up.
Grandma.
You asleep?
Anyone home? Am I talking to myself? Am I speaking English?
Oh,
Am I speaking English?
Put this on the charger.
I'm
Yeah,
talking
I'm
to
snapping
my
this now.
spell.
That
I'm talking to my spell.
It's not a choker.
is a choker.
Bro, look at all these people,
That's
bro.
hers.
Bro, like, get out my house. I don't even know you.
Destiny. Give me one.
No.
Okay. I made y'all help with some sandwiches. And y'all want to do nothing? I got you in it. I didn't want to make you one.
Okay.
I got you.
Do we ask?
You didn't even finish mine, so
No, but I was.
I'm gonna make yours halfway and then let you come finish.
Y'all look at my
She said,
picture.
yeah.
Me.
And I'm gonna make you put the stuff up inside.
No, me. My brothers. My sister.
Oh, this is a necklace.
No, that's a choker.
Necklace.
The other one.
Why you eating my pickles? You shut up, dang.
I need another one.
Stop it. No, you're not getting another one of my pickles, dang. Ask your grandma to buy y'all some pickles. Grandma! I'm gonna go tell. They only left me 2 pickles in this and they took the rest
We'll
of them.
get some more